been busy.
This station is Waterloo. Change here for Bakerloo, Jubilee and Waterloo and City Line. And National Rail services. Exit for riverboat services from Waterloo Pier.
We sort of did alright, didn't we?
We did well.
Balance act. Good.
You got your money?
No, good boy.
Might be around that side.
Might get toppers uppers in a minute.
Toppers up. You gonna get an ice cream? Yeah. Good boy. And do you want to go to the Peppa Pig shop?
All trains this station go northbound via Charing Cross. Your next train is on platform 1. Your next train will depart in approximately 4 minutes' time. Please make full use of the platform.
This is definitely new. Can't get onto my phone unfortunately to find out exactly when it's only been open in the last year or two. But this is the Battersea Power Station extension of the Northern Line. And the tunnel down there.
Please use all available doors and move right along the platform. All trains from this station go via Charing Cross. All trains are northbound via Charing Cross.
So the tunnel down there, there's my hand, will eventually link up to Clapham Junction if it ever gets built. Let's have a look upstairs. It's quite nice. I'm surprised at how many people are using it. Then again, I think most people are using it for the Battersea Power Station shopping centre, sort of like designer outlet of some sort. I've never been around here, so this is entirely new. I like the curvatures. Oh, that's new. It's definitely been built to handle a lot of people in the future. That much is definitely apparent. I like this sort of colour effect going on the wall. Apparently it's supposed to move, but because a lot of announcements going off. Right. I'm free. Right, we now need to go up here. Let's have a look outside. Nice shiny new ticket barriers. Not ticket barriers, they're the ticket barriers. Ticket machines. There's no ticket office here because this is a brand new built station. And they're still looking for a retailer over there. Huh. Something I don't see very often in stations. Just over there is 2 cash machines. Not often you see that. Probably don't want to be looking at a butt. Oh, the station opens September 20th, 2021. It's 3 years old, and it's still holding the new feeling pretty well. I like the roof. We've got the sign up there for Battersea Dogs and Cats Home. New Covent Garden Market. Actually looks quite nice around here. And there's the power station, which apparently one of those funnels, I don't know if it's all of them or one of them, is like a lift that raises up for you to get like an observation tower effect. Let's go this way. Let's have a look at the map actually.
Actually, come in.
There's a lot of shops here. Electric Boulevard, Circus West Village, Archers Lane, Prospect Way, Power Station Park, Turbine Hall. Let's So we're in a little speck here. We've got Battersea Park and Queenstown Road stations, which I'll be taking to Clapham Junction, which will make it very easy when they eventually build this line, because it will go from here all the way to Clapham. But wow, this is impressive. It's a nicely built open area as well. Oh, there's New Covent Garden Market over there. May have another look at that another day. It looks very busy. We might not go in there today. Actually, no, you know what? I'm not going to go in there today because it's a Saturday. It will be very busy. In the summer, though.
Hey, we're getting the pilot.
That it looks like it's very popular. Why does that remind me of the arches? Look like Camden Market. I know it's not Camden Market because you'll see the overhead wires. This is definitely because Battersea Park Station is over there, I think. Might have a quick nosy this way just to see what there is.
I don't want to know.
It's a weird looking building. It's very weird. And I bet it's also very expensive to live up there as well. Oh, look at that one. Oh, wow. Are they still building it? Is this why? Ooh, that looks pretty over there. I think these are just building extractions down there. There's like bits of concrete rebar and that. At first I thought it was ventilation for the underground, but apparently not. Looks like the whole area is still a little bit being... Oh look. Come on. Right there, you probably can't see it, but there's the lift I was telling you about. It's just popped out of one of the towers. It's like a sort of Willy Wonka sort of thing, whereas at the end, is it Charlie? No, is it Charlie? Yeah. God, I haven't seen a film in ages, where they come out in that sort of glass elevator. It's definitely very popular. I wasn't expecting it to be this popular around here. But no, that is a quick look at Battersea Power Station Station. I'm now going to go off and do my next set of videos. I will come back here. If you want me to come back here, I will just leave it in the comments to say it'll be worth coming to have a look, because I could probably spend a lot of time in it. It's pretty big, but it's quite busy today, so I might avoid it, and I've got other videos to go and do. But if you like this, like, subscribe, comment if you want me to come back and do more, or if you've got any other ideas. I shall see you next time. Bye from Battersea.